Hi everyone, my name is Apurva Misra. I'm an AI consultant.
Hi, I am Anand, a father.
So the series is about teaching AI to my parents. And in this series, we are covering everything from what is AI, what are AI models, how are they trained, why data is really important, and the different tools out there from the different companies and all the use cases you can use them for. So in today's episode, I want to focus on a very particular feature that's there in all these AI tools. It's called schedules in one of the AI tools. It's called routines in another one. So it doesn't matter what the name is, but basically I think you understand it already. It's basically to like set up a thing you want to run at a certain cadence. You want to run this like every Friday morning. You want to run this every morning at 9 a.m. So you can do that with these tools. And yeah, we'll go over a bunch of examples and I'll share my screen. How does that sound?
That is good one because I am also interested in a lot of repetitive things. Like I am very fond of cricket and all.
Mm-hmm.
So generally what I do is on Google, I depend on this Crick Info, one of the website is there.
Mm-hmm.
I go there and see the results of various cricket events happening all around the world and all. So if AI can help me summarize all the things together and along with the analysis, I presume they analyze also, along with the analysis in case it can give me on a daily or a weekly basis, I will be the happiest.
Yeah, definitely. So for example, okay, let's take an example about maybe the finance market, like what is happening with the US stock market. And I'm going to keep it instant. I spelled market wrong, but I'll figure it out. Figure from the tension, optimism from AI growth. What were the numbers like yesterday? Okay, it's telling what happened with the S&P 500. Like, and now I can say like, send me a reminder. For example, right now it's 4 p.m., 4:19 p.m. So I can say, send me reminder every evening at 4:22. Send me a summary of what happened, of what is happening, stock market every evening at 16:22. That's it. So you can just talk to ChatGPT and like ask it to schedule this. So I schedule it to like send me a summary. I could also schedule it to like send me all the numbers. So I wanted to do this for 14:22 because I want to see it coming while we're recording this.
This is the EUREKA situation for me. I also got a lot of investment in mutual fund and all, and I have to keep asking my, sorry to say, that broker what to do, what not to do, and then he keeps advising me left, right, and center. Sell this one, buy, procure this one, and all. See, if the thing is available, I too can ask them
Exactly.
to advise me on a weekly or something, and I can give them my portfolio.
Yeah. So anything that's like public knowledge, or what stocks it's invested in, like you can set it up, and you can see like what happened with it like this week. So this is just one of the examples, like finance.
Then too I can work independently without my dependence on this broker. Good, yeah, that is a beautiful. Just show me this finance wala. I'm no. Can you go back to Indian market?
Yeah, we can do it with Indian market as well. So like I can like start a new chat and say, send me a summary of what's happening with the Indian market at 16:23 every evening. Yeah.
That is the best.
So it's creating a task. So when you talk to it in natural language like this, it'll create a task like this and it'll schedule it in the background.
Then I'll send a summary of Indian stock market every evening. And will they include analysis also, or I have to tell them?
Yeah. So like you can tell it. So in my prompt, I just kept it very simple. Just give me a summary. You can say like, these are all my stocks, and yeah, give it all the tickers, and it'll go like
analyze them for me.
Yes, exactly.
Wow, beautiful.
Exactly. So this is how you do it in ChatGPT. In Google Gemini, you basically go into settings, and then you select scheduled actions. And like here you can see like a bunch of examples that they gave. So like this feature is available in all these like different AI tools. And this, I'm just focusing on ChatGPT and Gemini. There's so many out there right now, and they would all have this tool in like one way, one form or another. It would just be named differently. Just like look out for it. So like they have given examples, like you can ask it to give you a news digest, summarize all the news from yesterday or from the week and give it to me every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Explorations, what's for dinner, like on the weekend, like give me a healthy dinner recipe at around 7 p.m. That's when I start cooking. So like you can schedule stuff like that. And then you can also like come and edit it. Like for example, I was just showing this like for example, I had scheduled like what is the latest AI news. I can disable it or enable it again. It would like save all my past tasks. I can enable it, and then I can also like edit it. So for example, this was the prompt it was running. So I can say like, I don't want it at 7:58. I want it daily and I want it at 9 a.m. Like I can change the timing, like what time I want it, and I can save it here. So it'll run this prompt at this time every day and send it to me.
And the query can also be edited as per the requirement.
Yeah. So our reminders should be there. Yeah. So did you see like before we like switched the tabs? So it had just said like done, I'll send you a summary. Now it's like 4:24 and it like send you like what's happening with the Indian markets. So if I go and open the US stock market, it should have sent that as well. So got it, I'll send you a summary, and like it sent the summary. So like right now it doesn't like look that great, but what happens is once you have like ChatGPT installed on your phone and you have it, like if you're wearing a watch, like I've put my stuff on do not disturb, but for example, it sent me an alert about like, oh, your answer is ready. This is a reminder at 9 a.m. Check it out. This is the answer. So you click on the notification, you can check that out. So it's like very, very simple to set it up.
It's going to take all my burden and get me the results on the scheduled time plan. And I am free to go through it whenever I have got a time.
Exactly. So it is a very, very simple feature, very easy to set it up, but very useful. So I think everyone would find like a use of it. And that's why we wanted to cover it in our series. Yeah, I hope you find it useful and use it in your day-to-day life. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, comment about anything you want us to cover, any of the tools. We can get more technical as well. I'm sure he can keep up with it. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye. And I'm going to get it with my portfolio thing. Just watch out.
See ya.
Bye.